Do you see that bunny, Julie?
I think you're seeing things, Ashley. I'm working on complex fractions. Stop distracting me.
Some people think I'm just an Easter bunny, but I know all about complex fractions.
OMG. Ashley. You were right. A talking bunny? And he knows complex fractions?
I told you so, Julie. But wow. I feel like I'm in Alice and Wonderland.
Okay, whatever, Ashley. But, Mr. Bunny, can you help me with complex fractions?
Sure. It will be my pleasure. But we must first ask ourselves this question. What is a complex fraction?
Can I pet you, Bunny Rabbit?
Ashley, Mr. Bunny, I'm ready to take notes.
A complex fraction may look something like this. A bit complex, I suppose. A complex fraction may have a fraction or fractions within a fraction. Let's start by looking at problem number 1.
Hold on, Mr. Bunny. Don't do to us what Miss Kim does to us every day. You can't just jump into a problem without explaining anything to us.
Alright. Let's start by inspecting a simple fraction and what it means. What does I over b mean? In particular, what does the horizontal line in a fraction mean?
I know. It means divide.
Ashley, you are right again. I over b means I divided by b. There is an important aspect to all fractions that is not mentioned in any book or website. Perhaps one may think it is too trivial or obvious to mention. The unspoken fact is that there is a set of invisible parentheses that surrounds each numerator and denominator for all fractions that exist in this world. Now, let's resume our first problem. Take time to pause your video to copy the problem down. Remember the invisible parentheses and remember PEMDAS. You are going to work out what is in the parentheses first. Recall the denominators need to be the same in order for you to add and subtract fractions. In other words, we find the LCM or the LCD. The LCM of 12 and 6 is 12. This we know right away without prime factorization because 12 is a multiple of 2.
Do you get the LCD and LCM?
I don't get prime factorization, but I got what he said about 6 and 12. Sigh. I wish I had Mr. Bunny every day.
The long horizontal line in the middle just means divided by. All we need to do is change the expression to division. Don't forget that when you divided fractions, you take the reciprocal of the second fraction and you multiply the fractions. That's all folks. Make sure you do this example problem on your own. Happy Easter!